Unmanned aerial systems, better known as drones, are a fantastic hobby and a way to literally elevate the way you see the world. There are, however, many restrictions. So as you go out on your adventures, just like I do mine, you might want to know about the FAA, state, and federal rules that will affect you and possibly get you in trouble. That's why you need to hear what I have to say. Clear and simple, if you're doing this for money, you must have your Part 107 through the FAA. Most of Great Falls falls under Class D airspace. This means you're in the area of an airport, and they do have the right-of-way for pretty obvious reasons. Luckily, there's a free app that makes this really helpful. I can go in here, say what kind of flight I'm going to do, where it is that I'm going to be, and my hours. After that, I can get an immediate response from the FAA in most areas. There's some places you simply cannot fly. As much as I'd love to, I'm never going to fly over Yellowstone or Glacier, and you probably won't either. That's because national parks are controlled by the National Park Service, and they have heavy restrictions about this. The regulation enforced by the NPS has been in place since 2014. The primary reasons are to protect wildlife, preserve the natural soundscape, and ensure the safety and enjoyment of park visitors. Drones can be disruptive to both wildlife and visitors. They can disturb nesting birds, scare animals, and even pose a risk if they crash. In Montana state parks, some use of drones is allowed, but it's heavily regulated. I spoke with a representative from the Montana Fish, Wildlife, and Parks who gave me the following information. They will need to reach out to the manager of the site for permission. Depending on the site, every site is different, the manager will review the request and make a decision to allow or not allow the drone. Additionally, drone operators must adhere to all FAA rules, which include flying below 400 feet, keeping the drone within visual line of sight, and not flying over people. No matter where it is that you're flying, it's very important to do your research. Make sure to check out our website for a full list of resources from both the state of Montana and the FAA. From the skies over Great Falls, I'm James Rowland, MTN News.
Landing.